Welcome to Totally RVing. I'm Ken.
I'm Sue, and this is the gang.
Join us on our RVing adventures.
The good, the bad, and yes, the ugly.
Let's go. Morning. We bought a Amtifo backup camera for our RV, and I'm unboxing it and putting some of the brackets on, and then we'll go outside and we'll put it on the camper and in the truck and give it a test. Finding that if you flip this up, it's easier to see the holes. Aha. They give you a cigarette adapter. I already plugged that in. It's all very easily plug and play. Okay, I already climbed up and took this off. This was the cover on the adapter for the Furrion backup camera that came on our camper. It's held on by these four little screws, and they gave me this adapter plate but no instructions on how to use it. So, and of course, here's the camera. So I'm going to mount this to this and then put this up on the camper. So, and this should just plug right into the camper with no wiring necessary. So I'm going to mount this on here, and then we'll climb up on the ladder and see how it goes. Okay, I'm mounting the Furrion adapter plate to the mount for the camera. And I found it was easier to take the camera off of the mounting plate. It's held on with these four screws. With these four here, they're using Allen wrench, and they look like that. And I have three of them on there already, and they go through these slots in the camera mount. And got one more to put on, and then I'll be ready to. I think I might even take this up there and mount this without the camera, and I think it'll be easier. Plus, if I drop it, I won't ruin the camera. In case you haven't figured, I'm not a real strong DIYer, but I have learned through necessity of saving money to do a lot of things myself instead of paying somebody to do them. And it's worked out pretty good, hasn't it, hon?
It sure has.
So we wind up doing a lot of things 3 or 4 times, but we got another 30, 40 years to keep trying things and failing and trying again. All right. Okay. I've climbed up here on my ladder, and I noticed something about my ladder. The runs are different than they used to be. I attribute that to climate change. Okay. We're already pre-wired. This comes out, and that'll plug right into the camera. It makes it really an easy job. If I didn't have that, I could get power from one of these marker lights. But since I don't have to worry about that, it's all good. Okay, I've mounted my bracket, and yeah, just like that. That's a nice snug fit. Don't even need screws.
Funny guy.
All right. They give you about 300 times how many screws you need, and I'm kind of guessing which ones I needed. Okay, I got 4 silver. I used the silver screws that came with the kit instead of the black ones that came out. You know, and it's not a perfect fit. You have to jiggle. You have to jiggle it around a little bit to get it in there, but it's nice and solid. So now I'm going to mount the camera to the bracket. Assistant Matt. There you camera. And the silver Allen wrench. Last screw. The one we dropped. I got a good firm grip on it this time now. Okay, tighten. Okay, I think I need an adapter. It's just a short piece of wire with the adapter on it that adapts to the camera and the Furrion. Okay. And I think we're going to hook up the monitor in the truck and give it a test before I hide all these wires.
So you can hide the wires?
Yep.
Good.
Okay. Okay, it's nice and clear. Just one thing, it's upside down. I watched another installation video on this camera, and the guy says, I don't know whether this is right side up or upside down, and he put it in. I guess he got it right the first time because he didn't make any notice on which way was which. So I'm going to rectify that by when I turn it over to the right side, I'm going to show you which side is right side up. Okay. Okay, I got the 2 connections up in the Furrion bracket. I'm going to take a wire tie and tie that up. Okay, that's the final product. The wires are tucked away as best they can be. What threw me off the first time was that the antenna was lined up with a little slot in the mount for the antenna, and that's not so. It's actually on the other side, but it's fine. So works good, and no more surprises from the behind. So that's another project for now, and stay tuned.
Be sure to subscribe to Totally RVing and check the like. See you later.